Did you know that there's a type of volcano that can create its own weather? It turns out that volcanoes like Mount Yasur in Vanuatu can produce massive amounts of volcanic ash and gas, which can rise into the atmosphere and create unique cloud formations. As the ash and gas interact with the air, they can even generate their own thunderstorms, complete with lightning and heavy rain. This phenomenon is known as a volcanic thunderstorm or dirty thunderstorm, and it's a rare and awe-inspiring sight that showcases the incredible power of volcanic activity. Like and subscribe for more amazing facts.